In this tutorial, we are going to understand the difference between containers and the virtual machines. If you look at in the left side, we have containerized application setup, and in the right side, we have virtual application setup. If you look at in the left side, we have a total of 6 applications running in the same machine, but in the right side, we have only 3 applications. So one of the possible reasons it could be, if you look at the virtual machine setup, for each and every virtual machine, we have a separate guest operating system. Guest operating system itself is taking a lot of compute resources, but whereas coming to the containerized setup, we are making use of the underlying host operating system. In the case of virtual machine, with the use of the hypervisor, each application is able to maintain separate operating system. This is very useful for partitioning the applications because each and every application may require different set of dependencies and different set of environment variables. Let me start with one of the interesting definitions I have ever heard about the Docker. That is, Docker is just a fancy way to run a process in an isolated, protected, and encapsulated way, but not a virtual machine. The host system has visibility over the processes and the resource of the subsystem, but whereas the isolated Docker system doesn't have any visibility over the processes and resources running in the host system. This is helping us to avoid the conflicts between the containers running in the same machine. Docker encapsulates an application with all its dependencies, whereas an virtualizer encapsulates an OS run any applications which would run on any bare metal machine. That is nothing but a physical machine here. To conclude, Docker is an abstraction at OS level, but whereas an VM is an abstraction at hardware level. By running the containers in VMs, we can make use of the best of the both worlds, that is both Docker and VM benefits. Wait, I'm continuously telling that Docker is a process, but what is a process? A process is nothing but a program in execution. It could be Java program, it could be programming any language. Once we execute, that becomes a process. Process has a state, but program doesn't have any state. State, I mean, it has a life cycle. Anything which has a state will have a life cycle. It will have a start and it will have an end. But whereas consider static things, it will not have any life cycle. So a program is also a static thing which will not have a life cycle. It doesn't have a start and it will doesn't have end. As long as it's in the file system, it will be there. We have talked about abstractions of both Docker and virtual machine, but how we are achieving this? It's with the use of Docker engine in Docker, whereas it's with the use of hypervisor in virtual machines. Hypervisor is actually helping to have a separate operating system for each and every virtual machine. And similarly, the Docker is engine is helping the Docker container to make use of the underlying operating system and to avoid having a separate operating system like the virtual machine.